Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this App Mentor video, I'll show you how to verify Revolut business account on Android. Right, so I'm going to take you through all of the necessary steps to perform this operation. So firstly, download the Revolut business app. Alright, now let's begin starting the verification process. In the app, navigate to the profile section by tapping on the three-line menu at the top left corner. Select verification and limits, and now let's begin. I will give you a list of the required documents and personal details that you will need. Right, so firstly, business registration documents, proof of address, such as a utility bill or a bank statement, personal identification, passport, driver's license, or national ID. After that, upload the documents. Use your phone's camera to take clear pictures of the required documents. Follow the on-screen instructions to submit them. After that, complete business details. Provide necessary details about your business, such as industry, company structure, and other requested information. And after that, wait for approval. Verification can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. You will be notified via email or in-app when the verification is complete. And lastly, you can check the status. In the profile section, you can see if your verification is still pending or completed. Make sure all documents are valid and clear to avoid any delays in the process. I hope this helps, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial on our channel. To support us, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Also, to maintain activity on our channel, you can leave a comment telling us if this tutorial helped you. Thanks once again, and I'll see you very soon.